In today's video, I'm going to show you an extremely powerful AI that will help you create great images. And no, it's not Midjourney, it's something really new that will help you, and it's basically the Photoshop AI. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to don't miss anything, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But now let's get right into this. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to go onto Google and here search for playground AI. So once you have searched for it, you will get to this website playgroundai.com. So you will just quickly click on that, and then we can get started with this. So now what we want to do is we want to click on get started. And here we can continue with Google and sign in. So now I'm signing in with my Google account. And we can begin to create right here. So I will just click on the plus sign and now we can create it. So now the first thing we want to do here is to import an image. For that I will just search for an image right now, and I will search for an old man with a stick. You can also create an image with Midjourney, for example, and then put it in there. But now I will take this image right here, and then we can just quickly drag and drop the file in here. Then we can just quickly go on import image, and then quickly import our image. Now how this AI works is we have this little bar right here where we can put in some text, and then this site will do it automatically for us. It will basically add the things we ask it for. So let's just say add sunglasses. We can also add a mask so that it knows where we are talking about. And as you guys can see, it quickly added some sunglasses to our picture. And that is really cool. So now if you want to add something else, because many people can't do Photoshop and this website will definitely do it for you, we can say, and we can also do things such as, for example, make it look like a painting. So we will add a mask. And then click on generate. And now you can see it looks like it's drawn. The man is not looking like it's been a real person anymore, but it looks like painted, which is really, really cool. And there are unlimited options on how to do it. And here there's also a tutorial where you can learn how to edit with this. So you can just quickly click on that if you're unsure how to do anything. And then you can create really cool pictures with this AI. So now you can click on save changes. And then you can also download the picture. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And here we have a man. Sadly, I forgot to save the sunglasses, but now we have a man that is painted right here, which is really, 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 really cool. So make sure to leave a like and to subscribe for more content of this AI stuff. And I will definitely see you guys the next time. Bye.